But most of all, I'm gonna miss my mom and dad who love me very much.
When is he leaving?
Hey, the police are coming for the rainbow. The rainbow. The rainbow. Oh, it stops there. It's only a 3/4 rainbow. But it might make it the rest. Alright, so if you're a bit of an arachnophobe, the Philippines might not be for you. Here's a pretty good one right there. That's a full-size Clorox bottle. I'm gonna play with it. Oh. No. He doesn't want to be played with. Pretty good sign. Problem with shopping in the Philippines if you're a larger dude. This is actually a Gildan large-size t-shirt that I'm wearing. And I'm looking for a sweatshirt for my trip back to the United States. And I found this one. It's an extra, extra large. And we're here at Tops and Bottoms. The only problem is Filipino extra, extra large is kind of like an American small. Because as you can see, it doesn't quite fit. And the zipper's on the reverse side for some reason. So when you're shopping in the Philippines for clothes, it can be a little difficult. This is an extra, extra large, but it just doesn't fit. And if the shirt don't fit, you must have quit. Just net over to my Philippine Dreams with some shopping tips here in the Philippines. Buy your clothes in America.
Angel, you're just shedding way too much here. This is just getting ridiculous. Look at this. Ugh. It's just coming off in clumps. Have you been exposed to radiation? Have you exposed yourself to radiation? This is like what happens when I grow my hair out. Look at this, it's just coming off in clumps. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. Well, where? You gotta go. You gotta go this way. No, don't go back in there. Ah, shit. You coming to attack me? Alright. Oh no! Oh, you got it. Give me that stick back. Come on, you know the rules. You gotta give me the stick. Oh, he's fast. He's fast. He's fast. Come here, you. Come on. Alright, fine. You filthy animal. Who's got the life? Who's got the life? I got the life. I get chicken bones almost every day, and pork bones, and dog food, and food scraps. And I've put on a little bit of weight. Just a little bit. Yeah. Smile. Smile for everybody. Hey, I'm so happy here. Hey, it's the best place in the world. I'm not tied to a post. I run free. I run free. Show him. Show him how you run free. Show him. Ooh, you're running free. Look at you go. You're sneezing. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. You're not intimidating anybody, pal. Bye. 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 You growling at me? Is this your dog? Alright, buddy, that's enough. Give me the stick, come on. Alright, so I am right underneath the speaker. I don't know if you can hear me with the music. But this is an Ibanez for 5,000 pesos. But of course, it's not a real Ibanez. This is probably the worst copy I have ever seen. It's a horrible, look at the action on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's disgustingly bad. And when you ask the salespeople, is this real? They're like, oh yes sir, it's real. Yeah. I don't think so. 5,062. Okay, so even though we lost Stinky, we still have Mama McCracken, and she is obviously still fertile, as there are more puppies. We have a black one, we have a brown one, and they're very friendly. This guy's licking my feet. We have a stinky colored one. That's a stinky replacement. Hey, buddy. Angel, come on, you gotta sit. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Yay. Yay. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. Okay. No jumping. No jumping. No scratching. Okay.
Cue the Brewsters. Cue the Brewsters. Cue the Brewsters.
Congratulations yet again to Mama McCracken, who keeps cranking them out. It's the only way to stay ahead of the curve. And Stinky Jr. And Blackie. That's not politically correct. And he's trying to get out of teeth.